As far as the garments are concerned, to declare skin or what was the word used? Leather garments. It's the same thing. Skins of animals or leather, to use them for the purpose of dress is exactly what the Holy Quran says. When the Holy Quran speaks of the good things of animals, particularly those animals which are called anam, the Holy Quran speaks that they provide you with clothings and khamas, these tents, etc. So when the Quran itself supports the use of the animal skin for your dress, how can these ulama say it is against the purpose of the Quran?